Chief Minister Biren says at least 3 artificial football turfs will be constructed in Manipur in 5 years. Polling personnel and security personnel leave for polling station on the eve of 5th General Panchayat elections. Minister Radhesham says Manipur government is ready to promote local entrepreneurs under startup scheme. And FIFA Under-17 World Cup 2017 kicks off. Host India led by Manipur's Kiam Amarjit debuted against USA. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Victoria Rajkumari bringing you the top stories. In an exclusive interview with Impact News, Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren stated that at least 3 artificial football turfs will be constructed in the state within 5 years. In an exclusive interview with Executive Editor Raj Nongthombam at Chief Minister Secretariat yesterday in connection with the FIFA Under-17 World Cup kicking off today, the Chief Minister said the government is planning to construct 3 more artificial turfs in the neighborhood, which produces maximum numbers of good footballers, and floodlights will also be installed at Khuman Lampak Main Stadium and Hockey Stadium so that players can play at night. Floodlights will also be installed at Phimphal Polo Ground and Luang Sambam Cricket Stadium. Replying to a query, the Chief Minister said, as the state is a powerhouse of sports and has produced many sports persons, the government cannot provide financial assistance to all the players. So the government is thinking of creating a corpus fund for the players. The Chief Minister also said he himself, other ministers and MLAs will give financial assistance to the 8 football players taking part in the Under-17 World Cup from their pocket.
Astroturf ki football field not less than 3 hojik lai dibisi mathakta ahum go amtang di center yenga mai jaga yenga magi sanaro yang khara thokpa mafam khara chaba punba ninga ki dum ni kana astroturf field ahum go amdi extra siam again I sab yung nanda ki nipan si dagi khalle just within these 5 years yam adu tujil pusu yai sugumba tangai phadaba taseng harga di one of the most popular game ni akoigi football che adu masi world cup smai tor pokai ji pibu yabani adu atai di haiba question ma heng lak pakanda akoi di kari gi piroi government khatan ni ngamoi government gi lai resource na coffers fund noina koi public tagi kari dagi sports punung siba mayam dagi fund na create torga tongana thammaga tawnuna bo hona sira ga gi thinking amadi handagi thogdok sidagi create holle.
The Chief Minister also wished the players to do their best and bring laurel for the country and the state.
State chigi zati sigi mai puri bana koi nipana hai ribana koi no huji bahu da lai riba spirit to gi handana satha bada India ki team soider mai pa ko igani the pa ko soyo adu loina na as a whole India na FIFA gi oiba international gi oiba tournament sumaina host obusi adan ahan basu erangani football gi da the masada India gi team na at least maximum level da yawnunda budu mai pangna na budu wish tawjari.
The tripartite talk between the Government of India, the Government of Manipur and the United Naga Council was held today at Senapati District Headquarters. Minister V. Hankhalian and Kaishi and Tokchom Radhesham represented the state government. At the meeting, the United Naga Council raised objection to the constitution of boundary commissioner by the state government. Representatives of the state government agreed to place the objection of the UNC to the state government for further consideration. The next round of the tripartite talk will be held on November 10th this year. Polling personnel as well as security personnel have left from the district headquarters for their respective polling station on the eve of 5th General Panchayat elections today. More than 9,000 polling personnel will be utilized at 1,126 polling stations in the 6 valley districts where the Panchayat elections will be held tomorrow. For Imphal East, the dispersal of polling personnel was held at Hapta Kangjebung at Palace Compound. More than 7,16,000 voters will exercise their franchise to elect 60 Jilla Parishads, 161 Pradhans and 1,513 ward members in Imphal East, Imphal West, Thoubal, Bishnupur, Kakching and Jiribam districts. Polling will be held from 8 a.m. till 4 p.m. Deputy Labour Commission has requested employees of private firms, hospitals, schools and all commercial establishments to allow the employees to cast their votes at the 5th General Panchayat Election 2017 scheduled to be held tomorrow in Imphal East, Imphal West, Kakching, Bishnupur, Jiribam and Thoubal districts. Speaker Yumnam Khemchan has appealed to people to elect those who will work for the welfare of the society. Khemchan was speaking at the Mera Thabum Mifam held at Lausangkhong Mayai Laikai Community Hall. He will also ask the people not to accept money from candidates during election as it will not bring any good to the society. Education Minister Thokcham Radisham today asserted that the government of Manipur is prepared to promote local entrepreneurs with innovative ideas under the startup scheme. He said several crores of rupees have been sanctioned for the purpose. Radisham was speaking at the inauguration of the two-month second batch training course on capacity building for Northeast region today. The training program is organized by National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology, NELIT, Imphal under the aegis of Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship Government of India on NELIT campus at Akampat. The minister said the funds sanctioned by the Government of India should not be returned due to lack of entrepreneurs. Radhesham said the authorities concerned must also organize counseling and tell the people which departments to approach for this startup. He also appealed to the people to visit departments and websites and get themselves employed. The minister maintained that promoting and supporting the local entrepreneurs will not only boost the state economy but also help to solve the unemployment issue.
Manipur Honorable CM Maka, government startup ki damta crore kya ngai thammal le re siri pass out of Kanguduna LED ki tawgira anything tawgira tawgodo Kanguduna phajana sima tawya we can link up to the banks paisa awat karim tleite ano what tawning innovative oi bangang sing na sing enterprising oi Kangu ki damte paisa pair leba paisa sin na me paisa sira India la ki la ga sin na ba ngamda han musar but akoi kadai da connect tawni kramai tawni khangda.
Executive Director of NELIT Imphal, T.H. Prameshwar, said the institute is offering 3 courses during the second month residential training program. 90 trainees will undergo training in Surya Mitra, set-of box installers and service technician and LED light repair technician courses. He said 18 out of 90 trainees in previous training courses have got employment in government and private sectors and 11 others have started their own farms under Manireda. He also said the institute has plans to organize the same training program in Churachandpur from the next week and Surya Mitra course in Senapati district.
For a sector skill council, any areas the sector skill council among tie up the we have a scheme IT sector, electronic sector skill council, IT electronics area focus embroidery or sugar. And computerized embroidery we have Kanagumana. Sagi, Manipur Pishalon, Sagi Madam the Yamato, the computerized partner, Quena Toraga, embroidery partner, experts with the we have. Sector skill council got tie up the Usnea Matunta is.
Rajya Sabha MP and Voxa MC Mary Com today launched the Model Village project from Kapam Komlathabi village in Chandel district under Sangsad Adarsh Gram Yojana by unveiling the Model Village plaque at the event held at Kapam Public Ground. Speaking at the launch, MP Mary Com maintained that it is a rare opportunity for the village to have it develop into a model village. She also emphasized the need to focus on health and sports sectors. Cultural songs and dance performances highlighted the event. People at the event also prayed for the Mary Com's success in the Asian Boxing Championship to be held in Vietnam from November 2nd to 8th.
Kapam village su unity ama laina thabak tawbatai law and order se khona tight oina thamse haji kan sidi khitang development lai gidaw basida disturbance mayam la asi yaragadi akoy gi ichilinaw manungi missing su aina rikhoy dozaning badi asida development lai gidaw ba khun sida akoy na disturb tawbiganu.
Expressing dissatisfaction with the lack of investigation into the death of Pravish Janam from Uripok in Noida, Uttar Pradesh, President of Siva Sena Manipur unit, Moirangthem Tombi, said the party has decided to take a stand on the matter. Addressing media persons at the party's office in Bawupara, Moirangthem Tombi said Pravish died under suspicious circumstances. He termed the failure of government of Manipur, Uttar Pradesh and the centre to submit a final investigation report on his death as unfortunate. He lamented that the people of the northeast region suffer racism in other parts of India. Shiv Sena expressed happiness with the participation of 8 Manipuri footballers in the FIFA Under-17 World Cup 2017 hosted by India. The party also wished the Indian team a good luck.
Mihat Tina hat pasi ngasi bogi manungda leptana satharak pasi ngasi bhabugi manungda CBI da sinaba madugi sabsaba investigation report ama sabsaba phangdaba sumaina sum tawdana ihau mayam sagalaga ngasi bogi manungda sabsaba khoigi sina hatpani sina tupani masi mara lei haibase ngasi bogi manungda sabsaba investigation adugumba Mishi Mina Dugi Maramda, Nasibo, the sub Savam da Koi, Manipur Miam, the Hangibalatri, Home Minister, Prime Minister, Adugolona, Northeast Chief Minister Singh Kopi Piraga, long term policy ma, Tunda Muktok Tanana Bugita Makta, Pire Mama Longunaba, I koi Shiva Senana, Masi Honagani.
Acting on a tip-off, a team of Imphal West Commando arrested a cadre of Pirpark VC during a search operation at Kesampat Ahibam Laikai last midnight. The cadre is identified as Sapam Tiken Elias Momocha, aged 30 years, son of Sapam Devin from Kesampat Ahibam Laikai. Now let's take a small commercial break. We'll be right back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Volunteers of All Manipur Student Union MSU today locked the office of Director of Travel Research Institute at TRIA, alleging that the staff of the institute were recruited in violation of the rules and regulations. Speaking to media persons, a Vice President of MSU, Peter Lystrom, said the police verification and medical checkup of NG Prakeshwar has already been conducted after MPSC selected him for the post of a joint director, but the institute tried to appoint a person who was not eligible for the post. He said the union drew the attention of the department and the government to review and clarify the matter on the media on August 20th. They submitted a memorandum regarding the same on September 8 and October 3rd. However, the department concerned and the government did not respond. Peter alleged that the commissioner of TRI, T. Pamay, is involved in corruption and nepotism. He demanded that the government to probe the matter and suspend the commissioner.
Offer form Piduna 2016 November da joint tawnaba tawramaba matungda akhoina thabasi thengnajarakpani aduga tasengna sideda emsuna lebak myam da haijaningbadi leramba commissioner na tawribasi satra gi amadi akhoi lebak myam gi interest amadi travel community gi interest ta thawak tawbun natte mahaki vested interest mahaki brother in law oibagi damakta mahakna exam snol tawdo mi amabu DPC phamanduna adugumba hapchalamba adumba thengna jabani aduna haibasi mahaki vested interest ta thawak tawbani miyam gi damakta travel community gi damakta aduga Manipur gi damakta welfare gi damakta thawak tawbun natte habse emsuna thamjari.
Tamenglong and Nonit District Citizens Welfare Forum has called for a 24-hour ban on National Highway 37 on October 11th from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. demanding development of the Autonomous District Council of Tamenglong District. President of the forum, Rangam Thoitag, told media persons at Manipur Press Club that ongoing developmental projects in the district will also be put on hold along with the ban imposed on the national highway. He further warned of putting on hold all government offices, including district administrations, if the state government does not take immediate steps to enable the autonomous district council functions as a full-fledged council.
अखोइना कंप्लेन तौगिदबदी local self governance the pigidaba अखोइना complain tawgidaba, but the local self governance is not full fledged right now. So whom do we complain to? अखोइना state government amasung district administration the directly intervene tawbiro. We have the chief minister's itinerary visiting the Tamenglong district shortly. Legitimate oiba Mapung Paba local self governance amana welcome tawdredi kanana welcome tawgidob no have honorable chief minister gi mamang da thamjaningi.
JAC against the unreasonable death of Naurim Premila began the agitation today. JAC alleged that Premila, aged 48 years, a wife of Naurim Brahmeshwar, died due to negligence of the doctors and nurses of Bishnupur District Hospital. Oinam MLA Radhakishore visited the family of the deceased and talked with the JAC. Members of the JAC placed 6 demands before the MLA. El Radhakishore said the incident took place due to the negligence of the doctors and assured to take action against the doctors and the staff involved. Naurim Premila was admitted at Bishnupur District Hospital after she complained of the stomach pain.
Doctor khaki na tana to department sing sisoi koi chumthongi mayam lei yaning de maram dasina masa masa gi mathong masa khangda ba magi tongkhok thok duty tongdo mi sing sidi ai oro mi oro dan di bc ha lo se ai sab sa office si hospital si ma yam na thu matam da district hospital amagi le pham thopa atopa district le ba hospital amagi magi standard hospital ma thambi ba victim moi dana laibok thidra le hidra ba family asina wahori lo se masi ecoina Manipur Sarkar ki maikai degi mawan de pibam thopa thapam thopa mawan de fangiba fundamental rights case ki siam sing ko mo piba loina na imung sida Sarkar ki maikai degi job ama leiriba masa singi munung degi chana ba magi qualification sana ba job.
School students today took part in a rally held on the last day of the 62nd Wildlife Week celebration in Palil. The rally was jointly organized by Chandal Forest Division and Technopole Forest Division, calling for protection and preservation of wildlife. District Wildlife Warden of Chandal Forest Division, Vinod DK, flagged off the rally organized on the theme Celebrate Rights of Wildlife from Palel High School. Students of various schools in Palel, staff of Forest Division of Chandal and Technopole districts and members of a joint forest management committee took part in the rally. An awareness program was organized by Jwalamukhi Battalion 38 Assam Rifles with the help of a district administration Kangpopi today to raise awareness among the people about various government schemes at Bridge Thomas Ground, Kangpopi. 25 officers exhibited their work at various stalls and opened employment guidance sales for youth looking for job opportunities. A free medical camp was also held by 38 Assam Rifles. All Manipur Autonomous District Council Retired Employees Welfare Association today staged a sit-in and demanding retirement benefits of the employees of Autonomous District Council ADC Manipur. They held demonstration at Kaisampat Laimajam Laikai Community Hall today. Advisor of the association, T. Kiran Kumar, said the retired employees of the ADC are yet to get their retirement benefits, even though the government issued an order in 1991 to provide retirement benefits to employees. He said if the government does not take steps to provide them retirement benefits, they will intensify their agitation.
Sarkarna mamangda order kaya thokra matung bauda ahum mari thokra si matung thok kenbo action si to director na akhoi hojik thabak chuja na lejer mam de pension chal mayam si pension hojik pi de degi imung manung si awa ba mayam ore imung manung thak buba thang mangam dre thak mangam dre isai su sem mangam dre adna athu matung da akhoi pension si employee mayam da disi konsin tok le bisi gi employees da athu matam de pension si pi bi drgadi akhoi makhan makha kya gi action koi exercise chata ba horani hai.
The Association of Surgeons of India, Manipur State Chapter, will organize the 22nd Annual Conference, the Asimanikon 2017, on the theme Trauma Early Intervention at Reims Jubilee Hall on October 7th and 8th. Eminent doctors and speakers from all over the country will present their lifetime works at the conference. Chief Minister Nongthom Biren will inaugurate the conference on October 7th at 2:30 p.m. Association of Manipuri Diaspora Mount Pune celebrated the 6th Annual General Meeting cum Annual Cultural Evening Nongyingi Tantha. The event, held on the motto "Let them know us as we know them," was held at Symbiosis International University Auditorium, Viman Nagar Campus, Pune. Among Symbiosis Ishania Cultural and Educational Center, Pune, and Department of Art and Culture, Government of Manipur jointly hosted the event. Lamlai Student Idol Club in a press release said it has banned transgenders from organizing any events after Lamlai Development Committee, Lamlai Apunba Meira Paibis and Lamlai Student Idol Club unanimously took the resolution regarding the matter at public meeting following the ignominious incident that occurred during a birthday celebration on September 29th. 7 people on board were killed this morning when an Indian Air Force chopper crashed in Tawang Valley in Arunachal Pradesh. The Mi-17 V5 chopper on the maintenance mission was carrying 5 Air Force personnel and 2 Army officials on board when it crashed. The crash took place around 6 a.m. and the incident site is just 10 kilometers from the Indo-China border. The Indian Air Force, however, claims that the toll is 6, with 1 officer in a critical state. An inquiry has been ordered into the crash. The area in which the chopper was flying is said to be vulnerable to dangerous weather changes. The crash comes a day ahead of the Air Force Day, which is extensively celebrated by IAF. Designed to transport cargo inside the cabin and on external sling, the Mi-17 V5 is considered to be one of the world's most advanced military transport helicopters. Tawang is in the northeast Indian state of Arunachal Pradesh, which is also claimed by China. It is a strategically important border district and came briefly under Chinese border during the 1962 war between the two neighboring countries. The crash took place at a day ahead of the Air Force Day, which is extensively celebrated by IAF. Last week, a trainee IAF aircraft crashed in Kishara in Hyderabad. There was no casualty in that accident. The plane has broken into flames, but all 3 on board were ejected safely. The biggest football extravaganza for India in FIFA Under-17 World Cup 2017 kicked off today with 4 opening day matches to be played in Delhi and Mumbai. 2 matches between Colombia and Ghana at 5 p.m. and host India and USA at 8 p.m. will be played at Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in New Delhi. This is the first time that India will be participating in a FIFA World Cup. In all, 24 teams are participating in 52 matches will be held in 6 city venues across the country up to October 28. The event will be watched by a global audience of 200 million. Football minnows India stand on the cups of history as they make their debut in a FIFA event against USA, which is known for its man-to-man marking. India are placed in a tough Group A along with United States, Colombia and 2-time champions Ghana. USA are the clear favorites in the group, but India will enjoy the home advantage in today's match. 8 players from Manipur, Dhiraj Moirangthem, Kiam Amarjit, Boris Thangjam, Ningoy Ngamba Kumanthem, Suresh Wangjem, Mohammad Sahajan, Thaunajam Jikshan and Nongdamba Naurem are in the team. Amarjit Singh Kiam is the captain of the team. The 49 and the 54 Battalion of Border Security Force will jointly organize the 2nd BSF Martyrs Health half marathon on the 22nd of this month. Border Security Force Sectoral Headquarters, Manipur has appealed to students of schools in the state to participate in the half marathon. The half marathon is being organized to pay homage to brave BSF martyrs and also to show moral support to BSF Jawans. The half marathon will begin from Khomanlam Park Main Stadium and pass through Note AOC, Kekrupat, Chingmeirom, Mantripukhi and conclude at BSF campus in Koirangay. Speaking to media persons, Commandant of Border Security Force Sectoral Headquarters Manipur, H. Subol said, many brave BSF personnel from the state has sacrificed their lives in fighting against the anti-national elements, militants, terrorists and the Naxals. He said the half marathon is being held in memory of their supreme sacrifices and also as an encouragement for their family members. Subol appealed to all the students of the state to participate in the marathon and for the cooperation from the people to make the event a success. Commandant of BSF 54 Battalion S.K. Singh and Commandant of BSF 49 Battalion N.D. Mao were also present at the press meet.
Public ki support yaudana di marathon tawbunga moy adana public na support tawbigani aduga Manipur da leiriba school mayam satra singi mama pa sing ahal laman singna encourage tawraga thabirakani haina khanjai marathon chen badana tana akoi gi sportsman spirit Manipur da leiriba si hen amuk kankharan gani aduga loinana BSF martyrs ki family sing na su yamna achauba mokoi gi encouragement ama motivation ama laigani aduga hojisi Manipur dagi BSF ta service toiba BSF ki member khuding bakta su yam chawba motivation encouragement amaga loinana aduga mayam gi support lai haibse makoi gi thajaba ama lai ga loinana yamna chawna leiba ki damakta chawba thabak tawba da mai pakna nungaina tawna khansi.
Before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Biren says at least 3 artificial football turfs will be constructed in Manipur in 5 years. Polling personnel and security personnel leave for polling station on the eve of 5th General Panchayat elections. Minister Radhesham says Manipur government is ready to promote local entrepreneurs under startup scheme. And FIFA Under-17 World Cup 2017 kicked off. Host India led by Manipur's Kiam Amarjit debuted against USA.